One, two, three.
Elders Podcast.
Action!
Hello everyone, back again with me Senja and my partner Aurel on Elders Podcast. Okay, now in this podcast we will discuss a topic that is very close to our lives, guys. So the topic is about the benefits of using e-money in this era. You guys must be familiar, or maybe you have used it often, I guess.
Of course, especially nowadays developments are very fast and many shops in Bali use e-money payments, making our transactions more practical.
That's right. Well, for those who don't know, e-money is money kept in the banking system specifically for use in electronic payments, so we can make transactions without using cash.
That's right. Now to discuss this topic further, today we have two special guests. Let's get to know this cool girl first.
Okay, thank you Aurel for the time. So, hello guys, my name is Kirana with my partner.
Hello guys, my name is Wulan. Nice to see you.
Okay, everyone has been introduced. Well, our topic today is about e-money. So, by the way, what kind of e-money do you guys use?
I definitely use QRIS.
Well, if she uses QRIS, I want to use Flash. But I'm afraid the cashier will get angry.
How do you use it? How do guys be angry?
Just like this.
I think I'll be angry too, Wulan.
Okay, back to the topic. So according to you, there are any benefits to using e-money in this digital era?
There are so many benefits. By using e-money, transactions become easier and more practical.
Yes, especially since we don't need to carry a lot of money and debit card in our wallet, everything is already available in e-money. For example, like m-banking.
That's right. Now I rarely carry cash and debit cards. Just carrying my phone is enough.
It saves a lot of time too.
Yes, of course. Just scan it. There's no need to look for money in the wallet anymore.
Well, it's great how things are developing nowadays. Just click and it's done.
Wait, earlier Wulan said you don't need to carry money and debit cards. Well, the money and debit cards can become waste, right? And also the problem of waste in this era is really booming. So do you think there is a contribution of e-money to the waste problem in Indonesia specifically?
Yes, are there any benefits or does it have a negative impact on the environment?
Of course not, sis. E-money actually has benefit for the environment. For example, like shopping receipt. Don't you realize that if you use e-money transaction, the receipts are in your cell phone instead of paper receipt?
Oh yeah, that's right.
So indirectly it saves paper.
Yes, and preserving trees too.
Well, yes, cutting down trees for paper production can be reduced, so automatically less paper waste is produced.
There is more, as we discussed earlier, which is reducing the existence of plastic-based card, like credit and debit card.
Right, so it's like if we use debit and credit which produced with plastic, it will indirectly end up as a waste later. Imagine how much plastic waste is produced from such a small card.
Well, yes. If we start using e-money for transaction, the production of card will decrease and automatically less waste will be produced because everything is digital.
Oh right, so we don't leave the physical form at all. Okay, it turns out that besides being practical, e-money has a positive impact to the environment.
Yes, it doesn't just provide convenience for us, it can also preserve our earth from damage, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. I just thought about shopping receipts and thin plastic cards like that could add up to a huge pile of waste.
Right, so it's really scary if the waste keeps piling up. Okay, so it turns out that e-money is very useful for our life, even for the environment too.
That's really true. It's already practical to just carry a cell phone, the transaction is fast, and there's no need to looking for paper money or coins. And besides that, it turns out that it can reduce waste through the minimum production of physical receipts and plastic cards. So our earth can remain sustainable. Wow, this is new knowledge, guys, and really useful for our life.
For those of you who are watching, let's immediately switch to Imani. There's nothing wrong with being part of the effort to preserve our earth, because if not us, who else?
Totally agree, Aurel. Okay, because the topic of this podcast has already answered, and we got new knowledge as well, so maybe we can end up this podcast right now. Okay, let's send special thanks to our guest star for coming and sharing about the benefits of using Imani. And we also want to thank you guys for watching this podcast until the end. I'm Senja and my partner,
Aurel.
See you again on the next